Dear Goenkans, today we are starting a new chapter, that is understanding HTML. HTML is most used language to design web content for the internet. HTML. So let's just start with the definition. What exactly HTML is? HTML is hypertext markup language. First, HTML, if I talk about HTML, it is a complete code package which will allow you to create web pages. Those web pages, it will include text, graphics. We can add link to our web pages. We can add highlighted text segments, images, whatever you want to add. Now let's just analyze the word HTML. HTML, hypertext. So hypertext, as we know, is the text that are used to link various web pages. So it is the text on the web page, and when we click on that text, a new web page gets open. Links. We get links in WhatsApps also, where when we click on that link, we actually it leads us to some other web page or some other website or some other application. Now markup means highlighting the text either by underlining it or displaying it in with the different colors, or both. We can highlight it also, we can underline it, and display it in some other color as well. That is markup. Now language. For all of us, we know language is a mode of communication, but in HTML it refers to the mode of communication but between web pages. And we all should know that HTML had its own syntax and its own rules. Now let's just, and we all should know that whenever we have to write HTML, we use Notepad for that, to write a program in HTML. So as we all know, right now I am in Notepad. So let's just, one more thing is there. HTML is a tag based language. A tag is nothing, it's just a piece of code which acts as a label when a web browser interrupts and is instructed. When a web browser is instructed what to display and how to display. So we should remember, a tag has an opening, that is like this. We have to write tag like this, and a closing as well. And when you're closing a tag, it has to be first like this and then backward slash, and then we can write tag forward slash, sorry. So this is how we can add a tag. This is closing tag, and it's also known as an element. We have various attributes and in the tag that contain additional information like formatting, effects, alignments. Now let's just first see today the structure of an HTML document. HTML document. One thing is there, the tidbit, that HTML language, when we are writing it, there is no case sensitiveness, so we can use anything. So the standard structure of an HTML is, we have to start our page with the HTML tag. So whenever you're writing this bracket, the opening and closing, the greater sign and the less than sign, these both are used to write and start the tag. So first we have to start with the HTML tag, then it also will end with the HTML tag. So I'll just write it HTML. Now I'll just write next. Next is head. Next is head. In head, what we write, it is header actually, where we would put information that is about the web page. We never see it in our web browser window. Whatever is in the head, that is never seen in the web browser window. So it is for us, it is kind of additional information. So after head, what we'll do is, I'm closing the tags at the same time so that I should not forget any tag. Now next is title. In title, we give a title to our web page. So I'll just write title of a web page. It's not necessary that you have to close your close your tag in the next line. No, you can close it in the same line, but you should also remember that title is to be closed after writing it. Now after title, we should always close the head. Now comes the body, the structure, where you want to write anything. So I can write here the main content of my HTML document is written here. Okay, so this is where you write the main content of your HTML document along with other attributes. Okay, the body and all, whatever the colors. Now after that we all should close the body tag. So this is actually the structure of the body. Contains the text that gets displayed on the web page along with other tags or other attributes where we have images, headings, or something that enhance the appearance of the web page. So, and we all should remember every tag has a closing tag which has a forward slash in the front. Okay, some tags also have only opening tags. So this was all about the tags, and this is the correct way of writing tags. Now as you all can see, we already have something. So let's just see how to create a document. What we have, we have already created a document. Now let's just save it. Control S. We'll first save our text file. So we'll just write a name first, HTML document. Okay, save. Now we have to save it, save as, and this time in save as format we have to write the same file name, but we have to change the extension. What we have to do is we have to change the extension. We have to write here .html. So we are saving it in the documents, then save. Then we can just go to the documents, my computer. I'll just move to the documents, and here as you all can see, this is a Firefox sign. No, this is aa.html, but this is, you all can see my first HTML. If I'll click on it, it will directly open into a web browser. So my default web browser is Firefox, and you all can see in the body I had written structure of an HTML document. The main content of my HTML document is written here. So this is all what was there written, and this is what will get displayed. This is how we view a HTML document. What we need to do is we have to save first a file as HTML text document, and then it as a HTML document. So this was all about creating a HTML document and viewing a HTML document. Take care.